If you love spotting birds, then there's no better option than visiting them in their natural habitats. And Mangalajodi is a paradise for bird watchers. Hey guys, it's Aheli here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explore Mangalajodi, a small village near Tangi in Kharda district of Odisha, which is well known as the bird's paradise. Falcon in my back is our boat and we will explore this place by a boat today, and it would definitely be an interesting tour. Guys, you can visit Mangalajodi from Bhubaneshwar, which is 70 kilometers away, and it comes on the way from Bhubaneshwar to Behrampur if you come by road. Otherwise, Kharda Road is the nearest railway station, which is 30 kilometers away from Mangalajodi.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Those are the eggs of a bird and literally they looks like chocolate nutties. Their nest is made just on the water with this long grasses, and this is somewhat so indifferent, and their nests are floating on the water literally. Which bird? Okay, so these are the eggs of the fish-tail jackanus, if I'm not pronouncing wrong. This is a wetland all around, surrounded by small mountains where you need to spend few hours roaming on a boat and observe different species of birds. Even you can enjoy the beautiful scenery all around. The best time to watch birds here is the winter, that is November to February.
Not too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. To unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
This is the nest of little grape in the middle of the water, and that's so nice. That's the egg. Wow. This wonderful boat ride for 3 hours will cost you approximately ₹1,000, which include the guide cost also. Overall, the experience is very different and got to see so many different species of birds. That was the most amazing one, and the scenic view all around is also very beautiful. So guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, hit the like button, comment, and please subscribe if you are new here. Bye bye.